Tom Trevisani here on site for the Todd Long event. And we've been able to be fortunate enough to get Debbie Lee, the mother of a fallen American soldier, hero, who gave his life for our freedom and yours. Debbie, can you tell us a little bit about Mark?
He believed in the freedoms that we have in America. And I've been over the area twice. He could have stayed below the wall. He could have waited for backup. But this young man made the choice to sacrifice his life so that his teammates could live and so that we could enjoy the freedoms that we enjoy each and every day in America. He understood. He loved this country. He understood what our founding fathers intended for it to be.
You've heard from Debbie Lee, mother of Mark, who gave his life for us. If you recall the last line of the Declaration of Independence, and to this end we pledge our lives, our fortunes, and our sacred honor, Mark Lee certainly did that. So we urge you, young Americans, to consider rejecting the principles of statism and collectivism and embrace those principles of life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness for which Mark Lee and hundreds of thousands of other Americans have given the ultimate sacrifice for us and for you. Thank you, Dr. Tom Trevisani, 1830 Project, signing out.
Mark made the choice to turn into that line of fire to defend his buddies. He willingly gave his life so that others could live. He willingly gave his life because he believed in America and what we stand for and what our founding fathers intended for this country to be. Our motto on this tour is Winning America. Mark did his part. He successfully completed his mission. I know where that young man is, and I will see him again. He left his boots behind. He laid down his weapon. And I chose to pick up that weapon. I chose to stay in the fight for our country because I believe in our country, and I believe we can take it back to what our founding fathers intended for it to be. But ladies and gentlemen, we all have a part. We have gotten too complacent. As Todd said earlier, we need to do this so our children don't have to deal with it. Unfortunately, I was complacent and my children did have to deal with it, and one sacrificed his life for this country. And I want to know from you today, I've stepped up to the plate. What are you going to do? What are you going to do for our country? What are you going to do so that we can win America and take it back?